how to change country of your YouTube channel. First, open a web browser on your PC and go to YouTube. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account connected to your YouTube channel. Now, click your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, select YouTube Studio. Once YouTube Studio opens, look at the menu on the left side and click Settings. In the Settings window, select Channel. Under the Basic Info section, you'll find Country of Residence. Click the Country drop-down menu and select the country you want to display for your YouTube channel. Keep in mind that this setting represents your country of residence, so you should select the country where you actually reside. After selecting the correct country, click Save. That's it. Your YouTube channel's country of residence has now been updated. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching.